ਹੈਲੋ ਵਿਊਅਰਸ, ਲਾਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਮੀਨੈਂਟ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਆਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੈਡ ਮੈਰਿਟਲ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਮੇਜਰ ਕਾਜ਼ ਹੈ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਦਾ। ਸੋ ਟੁਡੇ ਵੀ ਨੀਡ ਯੋਰ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਿ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਬੈਡ ਮੈਰਿਟਲ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨਸ਼ਿਪ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੈਂਡਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਐਜੂਕੇਟ ਅਸ ਔਨ ਦੈਟ।
Yes, you are right, Paramjit ji. Studies have revealed that the major source of stress in life is your bad relationship or the marital discord. That brings a lot of unhappiness and that creates a lot of stress. See, if you are happily married, you will find the life is good.
Yes.
Your conjugal needs are met and you can focus on your work. But on the other hand, if there is a marital discord, you are not able to focus on your work also, and there is a tension at home. So therefore, if you are married, you must do your best to maintain healthy or harmonious relationship with your spouse.
How to maintain a cordial relations?
You see, we must understand, Paramjit ji, that we are born differently. No two persons are alike. We have our own liking and dislikings. We have our own preferences. So therefore, if two people, husband and wife, are living under the same roof, there are bound to be differences.
Yes.
And we must learn to adjust with those differences, and we must try to find out what are the triggers, what are the causes of those differences. Now, the major marital discord problems are known, like dowry cases, physical violence, infidelity and all that. But sometimes in marriage you find the small little things become issue for the quarrel. For example, if as a husband you come out of the bathroom and throws wet towel on the bed, your wife may not like it. And if your wife has done mopping, जिनको कहते हैं आपका पोछा लगाया, and you come to the house with dirty shoes and step over the floor, she may not like it. And even you other way around, you have to go on a different you have to go on an appointment at a fixed time, and you are ready, but your wife is still dressing in the dressing room. So these are the small little things which cause irritation, and these are the things which are trigger. So the solution to this is that you should identify the triggers.
कैसा एक और दसो कि how to identify strained relations? और आप कितना identify कितना पता लगे?
Human triggers.
Trigger.
देखो, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ there are two methods. One is counseling. You know, in the West it's very common to go to a marital counselor to bring the rocky marriage back on track. Now this trend is now catching in India also. More and more people are now coming to the counselor, because I as a counselor.
Yes, you are a marriage counselor.
So I get so many people coming, and but more important is premarital counseling. You know, these days there are no arranged marriages. Mostly marriages are what we call love marriages.
Love marriages.
So when you have the premarital counseling, at least you know the partners will know both the good points and the weaknesses of that person. Because see, when the couple is in the love, they both put the best foot forward.
Yes.
You know, the boy will open a car door for her also.
Yeah.
He will bring the gift also, flower also. But once married,
both parties try to give their best before marriage. ਜਦੋਂ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ ਆਪਸ ਵਿੱਚ अच्छा
to
behavior,
impress the other. And after the marriage all this goes, then you behave like a husband and wife, then there are problems. So one is this counseling route.
Yes.
Other route is that in my book we have designed a quiz. Idea is that you must know more about your spouse. If you know more about your spouse, then at least you will not do those things which cause irritation to either of the
Yes.
For example, what is the color choice of your spouse? What is the food choice? What type of film he or she sees? And what is the priority of your spouse? For example, you come from work at home, your spouse is on telephone call. Will she postpone that call, attend to you? Then you are the priority.
Yes.
If she feels that no,
कोई गल नहीं.
call is very important, ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਰੋਜ਼ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ, then you are not the priority. So when you go through the quiz which we have designed in our book, it is a self-correcting. It helps you. It is actually counseling you. It is actually counseling.
What is expected out of you?
So this is the one thing. The other is that when people come to us for counseling, we carry out a marriage compatible test, or what we call, there are 4 factors in this. One is the physical compatibility, intellectual compatibility, financial compatibility, and emotional compatibility. So these are the 4 factors we see when the people come to us.
Okay.
Now, what is the physical compatibility? It simply means that the sexual orientation and sexual preferences of both are same. Because this is the time of same-sex marriage also. So this should be known.
Yes.
They are
that
same.
is very critical point you mentioned. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਡੇਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਇੱਕ
Important
point
है.
ਹੈ. It's very important.
If they are same, this marriage will last. Otherwise, it's a mismatch.
Mismatch.
Another factor I would like to add is that both should have same level of libido. Now, for example, if one partner has more sex desire than the other, what will happen? The one which is having a more sex desire would always feel that probably sex is denied to him or her. The one which is having a low desire would also feel that sex is forced on him or her. So either way, it's an unpleasant situation in the house.
Okay.
So these are the things we check in the physical compatibility.
Compatibility factor. Oh, that
This-
is so good. Like, I'm really, there's something very new.
So,
New, and you are educating in a very right way.
This should be done in the premarital counseling.
Okay.
Acha, dusra is emotional compatibility. It means that we carry out his emotional traits, his attitude, his habits, his like, dislikes. Now suppose both are adamant, both are overbearing, both want to dominate, this marriage will not function smoothly.
फिर तो लड़ाई रोज हो जाएगी.
So idea is that we find out those personality traits and find, do they complement with each other?
Yes.
If one is very dominant, other has a little mild approach, this marriage will function. Right. Third factor is financial compatibility. Now, if both are working, obviously there is a financial compatibility. But if one is not, wife is doing a household engineering, then the husband must realize that when both are working, that when he come home, he should also share some responsibility at home.
Okay.
Not necessarily he cook the food, but he is in the kitchen,
so many
he is salary kaat raha hai, so giving a moral support, or he can take care of his child when the wife is cooking.
At least he can show a concern that I am concerned
I am
about
with you.
I am with you.
And sharing certain things which he can do.
Yeah.
And then is intellectual compatibility. Now, suppose the one, say the husband is very intelligent, the wife is little low intelligence, then she will slowly feel she is left out in the discussions, in the planning of the thing. Well, nobody say, "Oh, isko kya pata hai?" So then she may go into depression. She will feel little, she is belittled. So this compatibility factor we carry out in our.
Without naming, yes, that is very big thing. That one partner is intelligent, up to date in the current affairs. The other partner has nothing to do with that. And when they sit in the gathering, The other partner
there's no
cannot
participation.
participate
There's
at
no
all,
participation.
and the other person is felt left out.
Bilkul, there's no participation.
Yeah.
So other thing as a counselor I find is that when the couple quarrel or something, so there is a bad habit of, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि they snap communication. जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं रूठ जाते हैं, और पहले जमाने में तो रूठ के मायके चली जाती थी, आजकल तो मायके में कुछ बोलते वापस जाओ. But that is not the solution to the problem. The problem is that because the lack of communication creates more misunderstanding. So you must resolve that whenever we have a little difference of opinion, when we quarrel, we must sit down and resolve the issue before you go to the bed.
Don't.
Communication must be kept.
ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਰਕਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਆਪਣੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਐਡਵਾਈਸ ਕੀਤੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਯੰਗ ਜਨਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ, ਦੇ ਆਰ ਵੈਰੀ ਹੈਪੀ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਫਾਈਟ ਡਿਸਐਗਰੀਮੈਂਟ ਹੈ, ਇਟ ਸ਼ੁਡ ਨਾਟ ਗੋ ਟੂ ਯੂਰ ਬੈਡਰੂਮ. ਬੈਡਰੂਮ ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਹੀ ਖਤਮ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਸਾਰਾ.
Then you have a good sleep also.
That's it.
Right? Then you can also say that I call it a mutual support. I am using the army terminology. Mutual support means you help each other. That means, see, before marriage you were on some one wheel. Now today your vehicle has two wheels. Now these both wheels, if they are of the same strength and of the same size,
Yes.
then it will be very smooth ride. Same is with the this marriage. If both partners are of the same strength and they mutually support each other, they appreciate each other, they don't criticize each other, and then when the partner knows that when I may fall sick or something, my spouse is there to help me.
Yes.
And come to support me, then a mutual confidence.
Yes.
So that helps you to have a better relationship. And then also other day we are discussing that no one is perfect.
Yes.
We should not expect our partner to be perfect.
Yes.
There will be flaws. And if you say there are flaws in my wife, she keep nagging me, she does this. Try to understand there are flaws in you also.
Yes.
So that means if she is adjusting with those, why should not you adjust with her
Marriage
flaws?
is the second name of adjustment.
Adjustment.
ਥੋੜਾ ਬਹੁਤਾ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਰਟਨਰ ਕਰੇ, ਦੋਨੇ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੂੰ ਥੋੜਾ ਬਹੁਤਾ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗਲੀ ਐਡਜਸਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੀ ਚੱਲਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ for a successful married life.
So to sum up, if you want to be happily married, you must give space to each other. Don't be overbearing. Don't criticize unnecessarily. Try and adjust. Have less expectation. Praise each other.
Yes.
And then together you make a happy home.
Yeah, appreciation goes long way.
Yes.
Thank you very much again. It was really a great talk by Colonel Gursevak Singh ji, and we hope we will be meeting again and again and again for better videos, and which will help everybody in their making their lives better. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.